Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382. And today we have a 2009 Ford Fiesta two-door hatch. This vehicle is sustained damage to the front. This vehicle is fitted with a 1.4 litre four-cylinder petrol engine, backed by a four-speed front-wheel drive automatic transmission. We have the bonnet, appears to have no damage. Left-hand headlight in tidy condition. Left front guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with factory 15-inch steel wheels with hubcap. Left front appears to have a good tyre. We have the left-hand power door mirror. Left front door appears to have no damage. Left rear factory 15-inch steel wheel with hubcap. Left rear appears to have a good tyre. Left-hand taillight in tidy condition. Right-hand taillight in tidy condition. Right-hand rear factory 15-inch steel wheel with hubcap. Right rear appears to have a good tyre. Right-hand door appears to have no damage. Right-hand power door mirror. Right-hand front guard appears to have no damage. 15-inch factory steel wheel with hubcap. Right-hand front appears to have a good tyre. We have the driver's door power window master switch in tidy condition. This vehicle is fitted with a factory grey cloth interior. We have the left-hand front seat and the right-hand front seat in tidy condition. We have the left-hand sun visor with mirror, interior light, right-hand sun visor in tidy condition. This vehicle is fitted with a factory automatic transmission console, factory standard aircon. This vehicle is fitted with a factory single stack CD player. We have the instrument cluster in tidy condition. We have the factory grey steering wheel in tidy condition. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.